Please subscribe first. Oppo Find X7 Pro Specification Review. OS Android 1.4. Weight 184 grams. Thickness 7.6 millimeters. Fingerprint under display. Available in 3 colors. Chipset Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 4 nanometers. Display AMOLED curved 1B colors. Resolution 144, OX 3216 pixels. Memory 16 TB. Camera 50MP, 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 50MP. Front camera 32MP. Battery 5000 mAh. 100 watt wired charger. Sensor satellite, compass, fingerprint, proximity, gyro, display protection, Gorilla Glass. Extra IP53, dust and splash resistant, document viewer, photo and video editor. Launch date the 15th of January. Overall OPPO, Find X7 came with a lot of new features, and also their chipset is best for gaming and display is outstanding, but overall it is awesome device. Camera is outstanding. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.